Hey guys, welcome back to our techies. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix a no service problem in your iPhone. So whenever an iPhone gives a no service or SIM card not supported, in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix that kind of SIM related issues with your iPhones. So first of all, make sure your imei of your phone is completely okay. There is no like servicing the imei. So first of all, check that basic thing. So there is a imei is completely okay. I can see my imei of my phone, so there is really no issue with that. So in this case, there is no issue with the imei. So if your phone has no imei, you can just like restore your phone properly. So you can check it out, a different video I will give in the link in the description. You can check out right there. So how can you restore your phone, and after restoring you can like restore your imei in the phone. So second, you required to check your network information is completely updated or not. If not, then make sure to do accordingly. So for that you have to do. Okay, my 4G everything's details of the same is there. It's waiting for the update. There is some carrier is not properly updating, so TX power is waiting for update in that as well. 2G, 3G and 4G. Oh, check, let me check. So okay, I can see my 2G is working. There is no issue with the 2G somehow. Okay, in 2G also there is some issue with the 2G as well. So network is not getting updated properly. So 2G, 3G, 4G, all the carriers are not properly updated. So in that case, you require to see is it asking any carrier update in your phone or not. So for that you require to go general, about and about. There is no update, and let's see about the software update. So it's iOS 14 update. I don't want to update. So if any other update, like below there is a carrier update, you just need to update that to fix that issue. So in that case I'm going to do that network reset, basically reset network setting. So I will do the reset of my network and then turn off like plugged out my SIM and reconnect this SIM. So basically this is the only thing I'm going to do. Just when the phone gets off, just plugged out your SIM and just wait until the phone gets started. Once phone reboots and you see no SIM now, so now after that simply connect your SIM and then again restart. Okay, I got my network in my SIM. Here it is, LTE. So basically this is the best way to fix your no service of your phone. This is and if anything hardware related issue, then you require to like visit your nearby local shop to check that if both of the method is not working, then only. So most of the time that no service mainly due to your software related issues or SIM issues or maybe hardware related issues. So make sure to check all these three, what kind of issue you're facing. So after that you can take the action accordingly. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.